Okay, so last time I was talking about how to change the Mac for whatever reason. Let's see about kind of if you do it a lot or whatever, how kind of make it easier for whatever reason you want. Don't you know how to put it? Let's automate things. So as you can see, I'm connected to Virgin, and still same thing regarding internet, right? I'm not logged in, I cannot go to any site, Google Chrome, I can't do that. And you remember, well, check it out, I'll leave a link in the description, how to do it, why it's done, etc. As explained in the previous video, but assuming you want to use the same Mac every time, but you don't want to keep typing this, typing that. So there is a thing called scripts. Like, let's rename it to something. I'm bad with coming up with names. Let's just rename it to MLC. Done. Now, first thing you do, you make text file, an empty text file or whatever, you name it your name.sh, which is like bad file, BAT for Windows. And then you go to properties, permissions, and you have to select this as executable. That's about it. Now it's gonna do the same thing, you're gonna switch the MAC address to someone's MAC address which is already connected with password, etc. So we can pretend to be that person or that device and get internet without entering any details. So same idea. Open it with any editor and I don't really remember what this is for. I'll be honest, or I'll put it for some reason anyway. But that's every script how I have to start bin bash. And it pretty much tells that it's executable. Now, that's the same commands as seen. If comfortable, put down your wireless interface, macchanger to do it. We can get rid of those. I'm not sure why. Bin bash to keep it open. Let's remove this as well. Let's get rid of that. Ctrl X. And let's save it. So basically this is to change your IP. Now let's check. So our current MAC address starts with 60, ends with 0E. We need it to end with FD. 00D, we need to end it with this one. So we have a file ready like this. Instead of typing it all, so what we can do, refresh, disconnect from the network just to avoid any kind of issues. Disconnect. Now right mouse click and open terminal here. To automatically execute all the commands, what you do, you press dot dash or whatever it's called and put the file's name, so it's this file. And c.sh, press enter. Oh, I forgot one thing. Now you need to be administrator, so first thing you do, super su and enter it. Oh, sorry, sudo su, enter your admin password. So now when that $sign or whatever the sign was there, that thingy turns into the hash. You just run this command, basically / shows in current, also on desktop, and run it. And we'll see as hash. See, is that fast? Done. Now let's check out current. You've seen above. It was map if config, and the map is changed successfully. Let's test it out. Just refresh, and we should be logged in. Makes it much easier. I'll try to. Oh, forgot to connect to the network. It's not connected. Let me connect.
I've spoken to the driver on platform 4, he's already got hold of the controller, so everything's okay now.
I'm not in the best spot. Connecting. It's gonna take a second. In the meantime, let's refresh. Let's see if we can find one of the repeaters with a stronger signal. No, we don't. So, basically my idea is somehow to make the scripted logging as a super user. Basically, it's the same commands, everything the same, just put everything line after line what you would manually enter, and you're done. This is a neat way to kind of automate it, and next step I'm gonna be looking into how to make a file, double click, run from command line, it will log you, and double clicking it will like start like normal file. I'll show you this one. And you see we're connected now with a faked Mac. Do refresh. And everything's fine. Everything's worked. Oh, some on Twitter. Anyway, it's just a short summary. Just kind of showing how to make it automated. And the third thing you could add it to auto start, so when the system starts, it puts to that Mac.